À l'âge de 12 ans, j'ai commencé à fumer des joints.
I started to smoke cannabis when I was 12. At 14, I took ecstasy, LSD, and cocaine, and I abused heroin since I was 16. That was the beginning of a long descent to hell.
La descente aux enfers, après, elle a été lente en fait, cette descente aux enfers, mais ça a commencé comme ça.
We were 3 brothers. All of us took drugs. One of my brothers died from cancer. The other killed himself in front of my eyes.
Devant moi. Alors, pour financer ça, c'est...
To pay for my addiction, I've betrayed people, stolen from friends and family, and shoplifted. Somehow, I always managed to get the money I needed.
Sinon, j'ai volé mon entourage. Ça m'est arrivé de voler dans les magasins pour pouvoir revendre des choses après. Et trouver de l'argent, j'arrivais toujours à trouver de l'argent pour pouvoir me payer ce que je voulais. Je me suis fait régulièrement.
I've been arrested over and over again because I always carried drugs on me. The court convicted me 3 times for substance abuse-related crimes, but I never had to go to prison.
Problème de drogue, mais j'ai jamais fait de prison. Tous les toxicomanes sont des menteurs.
All junkies are liars. I've lied to judges, the police. In the world of drugs, I never had a conscience. I never felt any remorse.
J'avais pas de remords, j'avais aucune conscience.
At the age of 20, I had the chance to come here. I heard about this institution in France. One of my father's cousins knew somebody who had followed this therapy successfully. She brought the center to my attention.
Et qui m'a orienté vers ce foyer. Tous les contacts sont interrompus au début.
When you arrive here, you have to sever all your ties during the first phase of therapy. You are isolated from your family and your friends, so you can fully concentrate on yourself.
Pour pouvoir vraiment se concentrer sur nous-mêmes, parce que quand on consomme des drogues, on a un travail.
When you've done drugs, you have a huge amount of work ahead of you, learning to get to know yourself and how to take care of yourself.
Aujourd'hui, en suivant en faisant tout le parcours que j'ai.
The therapy here has helped to stir things up inside me. For example, my conscience.
Par exemple, à cette conscience ou par exemple.
Nowadays, I can't lie anymore without feeling bad. Here, we learn that we have to bring all the bad things out in the open. We learn how to cast off the old mechanisms which ruled our lives. When they resurface, we feel bad, and we immediately feel the urge to talk about it.
On se sent mal avec soi-même et on est obligé de dénoncer tout de suite.
Tu pars de là jusqu'à là avec ton plomb.
Ouais.
C'est exactement le même principe. Cette pièce qui va venir ici. Donc ton plomb qui arrive là-haut, il faut que tu le coupes dans la direction de la courbe.
Une des passions que j'ai découvert.
One of the passions I've discovered here is alpine sports. I'm a very keen climber now, and I've done some ski touring. I really love the mountains. In the past, I never had meaningful conversations with my parents. We never managed to talk to each other. There was only a relationship of authority between me and my parents. My mother was at home during the day, my father came home in the evenings to assert his authority and to punish us. Today, I have an excellent relationship with my mother, and my father and I are working on it. He also loves the mountains, and we've already done some great tours together. That's very promising.
Ça évolue que vers le positif.